Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to use the shape. Well, shape is for our effects for the moving heads, until the shakers and the dimmers and the colors. For now, we only have a palette, so let's make a shape with it. First, choose the fixture we want to make a shape. Again, reset the attribute. Reset. Then open the dimmer only. Now we go to the shape. As you can see, there's a playback shape, edit shape, shape parameters, remove shape of fix, playback parameters. For now, we will just create a shape. So we choose playback a shape. So it's the A. Now you can see as tilt, pan shape, dimmer shape, RGB shape, color shape, gobbo shape. Now I want to use RGB shape for effects. So press C. You can see a rainbow for rainbow colors. For example, we choose the rainbow. Yeah. So you can see here, the fixture is now on rainbow. And here you can edit it if you want to make it faster or slow. We just go the shape parameters. Then you can see the size, the speed, repeat, spread, direction. This speed is where you want to make it slow or fast. And the spread, if you want to make it by none or alternate or anything you want. So for now, we want to make it slow. Just press the B. When it's highlight, it has been selected, and use this wheel V. Now very slow time. You can see it's slowly changing color. Now let's make it fast. Now it's fast. And now to save the shape, you just press exit and exit until we exit the shape. To save it, just press the scene and choose playback we wanted to save. For me, for example, is 6. There, exit, clear. Then you can use it. Easy, right? Now let's try the dimmer. I will show you the spread. Choose the playback. Again, reset all attribute, reset. Now we make it, for now it's white, blue, just blue. Now we want to use the dimmer. So let's go the shape and go and create a shape, playback a shape, and we will choose the dimmer. The dimmer spread is it has a slow effect, and the pulse, I don't know, is there's no fade. So, if the spread is very smooth, just chill. For now, let's try the dimmer pulse. Just press B. Now we can see. I want to make it faster, so let's choose shape parameters. And then increase the speed, choose the speed, make it fast. Now it's fast. Here we can use the spread. The even is for like this. It will choose the next fixture. For none, it's gonna be only one fixture in group, group like that. This red one is alternate. Yes, alternate. It's alternate. and this is the direction. Example with even direction, it says the arrow process. So the shape will go to the right, and if you want to go to the left, you just use the E button, and you see the direction change to the left arrow left. There's more, you can go to out and in. Now let's just save this, press in, choose playback, choose where playback you want to save. There, secure. See. So it's very easy and very I hope my tutorial for you basic, you understand it. So thank you. And that is how you will create a shape. But wait, I forgot. You can create a shape multiple times. I think it's only 5, yes. Only maximum of 5. So let's try. Open the fixture. Okay. For the first shape, I want the rainbow. Rainbow, so the rainbow. Now it's on rainbow, but I want to put a dimmer pulse. So we go back again on this playback shape and choose the dimmer shape, then the pulse. There. You can see how many shape we added on this edit a shape. There we have a rainbow and pulse. If you want to edit the rainbow, you want to make it faster, just choose the rainbow. So A, and now you can create the speed and the speed. You can see it's only the rainbow, it's been edited. Now let's try the dimmer. Choose the dimmer, make it faster. There. Okay, but if you want to delete or remove some shape, you can just use, you can delete it. Just exit, go to the edit shape. You cannot use the delete button, but choose the shape you want to delete or don't want to use. Just example, for me, I don't want to use this pulse. I choose the pulse, exit, go to the shape parameters and make the speed 0. So that's how you will create a shape. So thank you everyone for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for further information. I will create another video on this Miniper 1024. Thank you very much, and see you next video.